So hello and welcome everyone. In this video we are going to learn about 7 design principles that make your design look expensive. So first point is white space. White space. Don't fill every corner of your design. Leave some empty space so your design can breathe. Expensive design always look clean, calm and balanced. Remember, less is luxury. Now talk about typography. Use maximum two fonts, one for heading and one for body text. Avoid childish or over-styled font. Try clean, modern fonts like Monstard, Poppins, or Playfair display. Good font pairing can make your design look premium instantly. Now talk about color harmony. So use a limited color palette, two or three color max. Luxury brand often use natural tone like beige, black, white, gold or navy. Too many color can make your design look messy. Stick to a color palette that feel calm and elegant. Now we talk about alignment and balance. Make sure everything is properly aligned, text, icons and images. When elements are balanced, the design feels organized and professional. Tips: use grid lines or guides in Canva or Figma. They are designer's secret weapon. Now we talk about consistency. So keep your style consistent, same font size, same spacing, same color. When your design element look uniform, your brand feel trustworthy and high end. Because inconsistency is equal to amateur vibe. Now you talk about quality image icons. So never use low quality or blurry image. Always choose high resolution picture with good lighting and composition. For icons, go for minimal line style icon instead of flashy or colorful one. They look clean and classy. Now we talk about attention to detail. The small thing matters: spacing, shadows, alignment, contrast, text readability. Zoom in, check everything before finalizing. Good designers are not fast, they are careful. Details make your design feel expensive. So, so next time you are designing, remember this 7 principle and your work will instantly look 10x more premium. If you found this video helpful, save this video, share to other friend who loves design, and subscribe to my channel for this type of more informative and tutorial video about Canva and design principle. Thank you for watching this video till end.